हाय, मैं अंजना एनबी न्यूज़ से। आज मैं आई हूँ द्वारका यशोभूमि में आयोजित एक बहुप्रतीक्षित भारत समुद्री विरासत सम्मेलन में, जहाँ न्यू दिल्ली में आयोजित किया गया।
The Honorable Minister of State for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri Shantanu Thakurji. Now would like to invite Mr. Manoj Kumar Semwal, MD IPRCL, to do the honors and felicitation of the Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Water Resources, Arunachal Pradesh, Shri Biuram Wageji. Give them a huge round of applause as they took out time for us. Now I would request Mr. Manoj to felicitate the Honorable Minister of Legislative Affairs, Law and Judiciary, Environment and Captain of Ports, Goa, Shri Alexo Sekiraji. Now we'll begin with the felicitation of the Honorable Minister of Transport, UP, Shri Daya Shankar Singh Ji. Would request Mr. Manoj to kindly do the honors. And after this, Mr. Manoj will take charge to felicitate the Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Admiral D.K. Joshi, retired. Now would like to say Mr. Manoj will take the charge to felicitate the Honorable Deputy CM and Minister of Arts and Culture. All right. Would like to ask the Secretary of MOPSW. Would like to ask Mr. Manoj to kindly do the honors and felicitate the Secretary of MOPSW, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri T.K. Ramachandran Ji. With a bouquet of flowers that we have. Thank you so much, all of you, for taking out your precious time. And thank you so much, Mr. Manoj and Mr. Lakshman as well, to felicitate our esteemed dignitaries. And after this, with the felicitation all complete, we now move on to the ceremonial Deep Prajalan, the lighting of lamps symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and ushering in of light, knowledge and prosperity. May I request all our dignitaries to kindly come forward and do the honors for the lamp lighting ceremony.
शरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Thank you so much, all of you. I would request you all to kindly take your respective seats on the dais. Now, with this auspicious beginning, we now transition to the next segment of today's program. Stay with us as we delve deep into the achievements and vision driving the India's maritime and cultural aspirations. And now, it's my privilege to invite on the dais, and I request kindly to come forward to invite Sri T.K. Ramachandran, the Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, to share his opening remarks with all of us. I must tell you, his vision and leadership continues to inspire us in the progress of maritime sector, and we are eager to hear his thoughts as we embark on today's journey together. May I request all of you to kindly give him a huge round of applause as he comes forward.
Namaskar, Swagatam, Suswagatam. Honorable Minister for Port Shipping and Waterways, Sri Sarbananda Sonowal. Honorable Minister of Labour and Employment and Youth Affairs and Sports, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ji. Sri religion and so on to many countries across the world. We need to be conscious of this heritage, aware of this heritage, even as we develop the maritime sector. Through initiatives like the Sagarmala project, India is modernizing its ports, strengthening its shipping infrastructure, and developing new trade corridors. Our Blue Economy initiatives focus on sustainable shipping, marine conservation, and harnessing ocean resources for the future. So as we have always been saying, Vikas bhi, Virasat bhi. That is our motto. The National Maritime Heritage Complex at Lothal, Gujarat is a key step in preserving and celebrating our maritime legacy. Lothal, one of the world's oldest dockyards, which is part of the Sindhu Ghati Sabhyata, the Indus Valley civilization, or now we call it the Saraswati Valley civilization, symbolizes India's advanced maritime skills. As we celebrate our maritime past, we must focus also on India's future role in global maritime affairs. India is committed to building a sustainable, secure, and prosperous maritime sector. This conclave brings together scholars, policymakers, and industry leaders from around the world. The conclave has been organized as per the guidance received from our Honorable Prime Minister, for whom this is a very, very dear subject. So, under the leadership of our Honorable Minister, we have organized this conclave, which is a platform for collaboration where we can share knowledge, discuss innovative maritime solutions, and strengthen partnerships that will define the future of the global maritime community. Together, we can build a future where the oceans remain a source of prosperity, sustainability, and peace for all nations. The quest for understanding India's position in the global maritime history is not just about reflecting on the past, but also about shaping the future. India's maritime heritage is a living legacy that will guide us in our journey towards becoming a global maritime player. Thank you all once again for your participation. I would like to thank the dignitaries on the dais, especially for having participated in this inaugural function. And I look forward to the enriching discussions in the days ahead. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Sri Ramachandran, for sharing your kind words with all of us. And now I would request the team to kindly play the film that we have on Lothal and